माननीय सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 1, class A of today's revised list of business.
Srimati Anupriya Patel.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 1B in the revised list of business for today.
Srimati Nimu Ben Jayanti Bhai Bambhadia.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपके अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1C पर अपने नाम के आगे उल्लेखित कागजात हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखती हूं। धन्यवाद।
Laying of CAG reports, Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, I rise to lay on the table of the House the report mentioned at serial number 1, class 2 of today's revised list of business.
Honorable members, in the revised list of business for today, the National Sports Governance Bill 2025 and the National Anti-Doping Amendment Bill 2025, both as passed by Lok Sabha, have been included. The topics of both the bills were circulated through members' portal yesterday evening around 5 p.m. As reasonable time was not available to the members to submit amendments to these bills, under the relevant rules, those who desire to submit amendments may do so till 12 noon. Message from Lok Sabha. Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 11th August 2025 passed the following bills. 1. The Income Tax Bill 2025 and 2. The Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2025. The Speaker has certified that these bills are money bills within the meaning of Article 110 of the Constitution. I lay a copy each of the said bills on the table.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce, Dr. Kanni Moji NVN Somu.
The 191st, 192nd, 193rd and 194th reports in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce mentioned against my name in today's list of business.
Thank you. Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports, Srimati Sangeeta Yadav.
माननीय उपसभापति जी, आपको आभार। महोदय, मैं विज्ञान और संबंधित क्षेत्रों में अनुसंधान आधारित शिक्षा और अनुसंधान परिदृश्य के संबंध में 398 प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विश्व सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई संबंधी शिक्षा, महिला, बाल, युवा और खेल संबंधी अस्थायी समिति का 367वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel, Sri Aditya Prasad.
सर, यहाँ पर माइक। आदरणीय उपसभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध कोयला, खान और इस्पात संबंधी अस्थायी समिति का 9वां, 10वां और 11वां की गई कार्रवाई प्रतिवेदन हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas, Sri Mayank Kumar Nayak.
तो उपसभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध पेट्रोलियम और प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय का 2024-25 का तीसरा, चौथा और पांचवा प्रतिवेदन हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। थैंक यू।
Reports of the Committee on Public Accounts, Sri Tiruchi Shivaji.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the Hindi and English versions of the 33rd report, 18th Lok Sabha of the Public Accounts Committee 2025-26 on the subject Levy and Regulation of Fees tariffs, user charges, etc. on public infrastructure and other public utilities more than high as listed against my name in today's list of business at serial number 6. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.